mall, yeah.
Yeah.
But
We just ate breakfast, right?
yeah.
Here in
Jollibee. We are here waiting for my kuya, Totot, and my tito, Pende. Because we are going on a vacation for 3 days.
And where are we going?
I forgot.
Known for full of fire.
Full of fire?
Yes, an island full of fire, and that is Camiguin. Let's go, we're heading there. Okay guys, we're complete.
Yes.
Welcome aboard, Pan Pan. So, tomorrow, I mean later, okay, cut. Where are we going later?
We're going. Son, where are we going, son?
The beach.
Okay guys, what's our mission? So we're gonna go and buy oil. Our mission for today is to buy oil.
Yeah.
Guys, so a while ago we just arrived in our accommodation, and later we will be heading to the hot springs. So it's not hot anymore. Oh, they said it's not hot anymore. So kibali, lukewarm. I don't know. Dili na siya hot. Di na bagan active yung fire ng island.
Yeah.
Yes, before hot yun siya, hot spring. So we will be going there after buying mantika. Yes. Kabush. Kabush! We bought the mantika. We're heading back. Ready na, Panpan? Panpan!
So, basta mag-abot ng family.
Bring water from Perch.
Wait
Knock,
lang.
knock.
Who's there?
You.
You who? You. Ha 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 ha. Ito na, ano to? Ano to? Hi to the vlog! Hi! Vlog na Timina, Tita Archie, hi!
Hi. Hi. Hello. Mali mo nang itinali si Mama Chiche.
Ligo na, Tit! Kaya ako, may tagpo-anak. Ano, Tit? We're at Garden Kibok Spring. And Luna. Dili si Jamag. Kaya ako maligo. Kay sakit di zatizan. Kay sad ako. Sakit di zatizan. Sad nag-smile. Hala, ano ang sad? Dili lang dapat. Hi, fam! Wow!
Hi guys.
Hi!
Hello.
Swim, pan, swim! Paso dira, guys. Paso dira. Sa kilid ang paso.